Oh,
Yeah, but
we do have other tables if you did want to have more of a private dining experience. This is more of like a chat with your cook kind of
Oh, a
experience,
chat with
you
our
know?
cook. You know what? I like to chat with my cook.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
So
well, here you go. I got this cooked up fresh for you.
Oh.
I hope you enjoy.
Oh, where did you get this meat?
You know, it kind of just walks right in here, Doki.
Oh, really? Just...
Wait, look.
Oh my god. Wait, that one's raw.
Yeah, I got you.
Doki, I think they're gonna kill us for our meat. We gotta go.
So, how's your wife been going?
So, they said this is like free food. So how are you making the money to buy the meat?
We have our ways of getting the meat.
That's a very nice gun
Hey,
you have
fancy.
there.
We appear to have some loose
Doki, get out.
product.
Run, hurry.
Do you mind
Doki,
going
run.
and running
I
that
have
down
the car
for me?
ready. Get out, get out, Doki, get out. I have the car ready.
No! Get back here! Get back here!
Don't let them kill me!
Get back here!
Get over here! No! Get over here!
Get back here!
We're gonna tell the blood god about you! I think they were cannibals! I think they were cannibals!
Oh my god, Doki!
Okay, they're pretty horrible shots though, not gonna lie. Whoa! Oh no.